Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for I Can't Wait. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and to play the easiest we need a capo on the 3rd fret. If you're in need of a capo, there is a link to one in the description below, so feel free to check that out. Now, at the start of the song, we've got some palm muted chords, and we're going to build it up with a G major chord, which is 3 on the E. These numbers will be in reference to the capo. 2 on the A, 0, 0, 0, and then a 3 on the high E. If you're familiar with G major that uses a 3 on the B as well, feel free to use it. It's just 2 different voicings of the same chord. And what's going to happen is, for 2 bars worth, we're going to have G major where we focus playing on the lower strings, but as I mentioned, we're going to be palm muting it, which means just taking this part of our hand, resting it slightly on the strings here, and we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the introduction. And then, when Phoebe starts to actually sing, we stay on that G major and we play for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. We then take our hand and move these 2 fingers down a string. We can keep the lower finger, or fingers, the same, and we play from the A string for 2 bars. That's a C add 9 there for us. So we have 2 bars of G, 2 bars of this C add 9 chord, for now I'll just call that C, and then we'll repeat G to C. So I'm going to play the first half of that verse through once so you can see how all of that fits together. C, back to G, back to C. We then have an E minor chord, which is an open E, 2, 2 on the A and D, and then 0 on the remaining. And we play that for 2 bars. We then go to C for 2 bars, to G, and back to C. And that will be the full first verse. There's a ton of different chords there. So it's worth mentioning that I've wrote out a chord chart for this song, which is the full structure of the song, including all the chords within each part, as well as another sheet of the chords and the lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together. Well, over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 900 songs of all the latest releases, including a couple of songs from Phoebe and her side project. So anyway, after you've played that first verse, you will then go to the next part of the song. I'm calling it the chorus or the pre-chorus, whatever you want to call it. We're playing a D major for a bar. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, which is an open D string, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 2 on the high E. So like I say, 1 bar of that. And then we get E minor again, but it's only half a bar's worth. They get 2 beats. So we have D, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D for 4, E for 2, and the C chord for 8. So yeah, lots of chords to remember. I'll demonstrate that, and I'm going to play it through twice, because that's what they do on the track. D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to D, E, C. And at that point we get a little bit of an interlude. That's where it's more of an instrumental and it's just the G chord for 4 bars. We then start to get a bit of repetition. Look into my notes, which is what I've put on Patreon. There's a second verse. That's where we play what we did basically at the start of the song again, so we'll skip over that part. In fact, there's the pre-chorus, the change from D, E minor, and the C chord. Do that twice. All is just copy and pasted. We then get to a new instrumental part. That's when you can clearly hear some guitar. Let's break that part down. So there's just 2 beats of a C chord. 1, 2, then it leads into the full part. So you just have to remember there's just random 2 beats at the start of it. And then we go back and forth between G to C, E minor to C, like this. And I'm intentionally playing very light. I'm not strumming all the strings of every chord like this. It's a very light part, so I'm just kind of almost, not randomly, but I'm picking and choosing between some of the middle strings when I'm strumming up and down. It's definitely got this down, up, down, up, down, up type of pattern. That type of idea throughout the whole of it. However, after you've played G to C, E minor to C, we then have G to D and then a full bar of C like this. We then take what we've just played and loop it round a second time. At that point, that's when Phoebe and the backing vocal part comes in, and that's where we take basically the same idea. I'm going to play through it all in one go, and I'll just shout out the chords so you can see how it fits together. It then loops around again, so it's G, C, E minor, C, G, D, C. After that part, there is a verse, then another pre-chorus, and then we get to the guitar solo that's at the end. And that is a little bit out the scope of this video. I'm focusing purely on the chords. If you are interested in the solo and you want me to make a video on it, leave a comment below. If there's enough interest, I'll make it. However, the chords for that part, we have the C chord. And again, going to G, D. We loop that around 4 times and you get yourself to the end of the song. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel grow, and consider getting that extra material over on Patreon. I also want to say a quick thank you to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my patrons, so when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks to you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.